While many people interested in affiliate marketing just see it as a side income, for those of you who are serious about creating real significant income with affiliate marketing, like $1,000 or more a day, there are basically two ways to do that. Hey, it's Leah Ray from TideOnTheAirWay.com, and I'm going to be laying out for you both of these methods, the pros and cons of each, and also how you can get started so you can start making $1,000 a day or more in your business. Now, here's the ground rules. In order to make these significant commissions from sales, we're only going to be focusing on digital products. As we talked about in our $100 a day blueprint video, you earn much higher percentage from digital products, much higher percentage, which is really what you're going to need to focus on if you want to make $1,000 a day, unless you already have a massive audience and you can get there from a whole bunch of really small commissions from physical products. So option number 2, launches. Partnering with someone who is launching a brand new course or who is simply interested in relaunching an existing course that they have specifically to your audience. Now, there is a lot of opportunity to earn really big during launches. We had a friend of ours come up to us last summer and tell us that he had a course coming out soon and just asked us if we'd be interested in partnering with him for his launch of his new course. Well, we knew that he created great training and that would be super helpful for our audience, so it was an easy yes. By simply inviting our existing audience to attend a webinar through our email and our ManyChat list, plus a few extra emails to seal the deal, we brought in over $12,000 plus a free sailing trip to Greece in just about a week's time. Now, obviously, that is a huge return for simply inviting people to a webinar, but it works because of all the time we had spent beforehand building and nurturing our audience so that we had a big list of people to invite and we had already provided them with a lot of value. So if they saw an offer that made sense for them and their business, they were willing to purchase. So while the pro of this is a little bit of effort that you put in during the launch for the large amount of money that you can actually get in a short amount of time, that's a huge pro. But the con would be that you have to have built up and nurtured your list beforehand, putting in all the work before ever working towards a specific launch. So if you're brand new, it's going to be a while before you can earn big during a launch. Now, option number 1, and probably the simplest option for newer marketers to get to $1,000 a day or more with affiliate marketing, is to work with an affiliate program that has what's called a value ladder. A value ladder simply means that while their main offer is very low end, it doesn't cost much, but they offer more and more value to their existing customers, specifically those who are interested at higher prices, say thousands or even several thousands of dollars. So as an affiliate, you can simply promote the low-end entry point offer, create content, and recommend the entry point offer to your audience. Now, with a good program, that's really all you got to do. The program itself then takes over. They over-deliver with that entry point product, they provide tons of value, and then they provide the opportunity for satisfied customers to get more value at a higher price. A good value ladder has several steps of increasing value and price offers. And a good system really takes care of everything after you've referred people to that initial entry point offer. Now, let's be real. There are a lot of companies that have come and go in the past that have claimed to do this, but we really haven't been impressed with 99.99% of them. They just didn't give enough value to justify the higher prices that people were paying out, which resulted in unhappy customers. And when you end up with a bunch of unhappy customers, not only is that your reputation's on the line and being harmed, but also that's when the FTC gets involved and starts looking at stuff. And that's why a lot of companies have been shut down, because they didn't give enough value. It was all about just making sales, and they were really good at selling, but they didn't provide good value to their customers. So value is key to be successful with a value ladder, not just a price ladder, but a value ladder. And when you're referring people to something, you want to know that they're going to be well taken care of, because it's your reputation that's on the line and you really want to serve your audience. Now, there is one program out there today that is successfully delivering a great suite of products with a solid value ladder that we truly recommend, where you're seriously focused on just creating the content and driving traffic to their entry point offer, and then they take it from there with great marketing, great service, and most importantly, great value. So to take a look at this program and see if it fits for your business so you can start seeing those $1,000 a day or more, just simply click the link at the top of the description to check it out. Right on the top of the description if you're a mobile or desktop, wherever you are. Obviously, there are no guarantees in any program. You got to put in your time, you got to put in your effort, and you have to grow to get real results. But this is an awesome opportunity and the #1 program that we recommend today as an affiliate offer. Again, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com. Know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. Now, if you're new to our channel, make sure to say hi in the comments so that we can welcome you to our community. I'll see you soon.